grabbed my wheels from this really cool dude, and as you can see right there, the e36 M3 at that track car, and then he also has a S14 with an RB25. Like, it's crazy that I'm meeting all these people with pretty sick cars. So I'm definitely going to be contacting these people, and hopefully you guys can see me. Definitely going to be in touch with these people, do videos and stuff like that, because all these people I've been meeting lately are just really cool, great individuals, and really generous. Like, he gave me this spare wheel for free that I'll give to my neighbor because he has a 635. And I got my, you guys see back there, style 32s. So it's just, man, I've just been having such great luck. The price that I got these for was insane. He also has a whole bunch of other parts that we're going to be speaking about in the near future. So it's just, man. Why am I so blessed? I just don't understand. But I'll get back to you guys tomorrow when I clean up the wheels and go to the tire shop to throw the stuff on. So I'm about to go to the tire shop, but first I'm going to use the heat gun and roll this a little bit because I don't really care. So I'm just going to use that metal pipe and heat gun and call it a day. So I'll do it and I'll get back to you because I already have like a phone booking video and stuff. I may end up doing that, but I'm not going to record it. It doesn't make sense. I'll just link the video in the description if you want to see phone booking. This is the rear right now. I guarantee I need an alignment because let's see if you can see it in the video. But let me see. The wheel kind of looks like it's towed in, I believe that is. You can kind of see it. But yeah. Style 32s, 9 in the rear, and then the fronts are going to go on afterwards because I just had to roll the rears. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to do the fronts as well. But if anything, I'm just going to cut that inner lip off and then just pull it. So, yeah. Yeah, but it looks good. I love these wheels. I'm probably going to keep the color the same for now, even though the paint's peeling off. And then right here, this wheel, for some reason, isn't that dirty, but this one is. I'm pretty sure it just like drove in dirt or something. But I'm going to use the brush hero and clean off the inside of the wheel because it's filthy. And then I'm going to get rid of these. There's 5 of them. I have a spare in the trunk. I'm going to get rid of that. Weight reduction because race car, blah, blah, blah. But anyhow, you guys have seen the brush hero before, but I'm going to show you like a quick snippet of it for the new people to the channel. And in the description, there'll be my discount code, and there is free shipping on items over $40. So the brush hero kit, I believe it's either $30 or $40, and it'll be shipped for free. And these things are really clutch. You connect it to the hose, turn the hose on, and you'll see all this, not all of it, because this is going to take a long time to clean, but most of the stuff is coming off. If you look in there, a lot of the black stuff are just, like, you know, in black. The power of the dirt is being stripped away. But yeah, it cleans pretty good. Really good, actually. I love this thing. It's really clutch, and it gets into tight spaces. And this one is the stiff bristle. Oops, screwed off. But yeah, one thing that you need to remember to do is to tighten down this part. I took it off before, so it wasn't screwed down properly. But yeah, this thing is a really good product, and I highly recommend it. And I'm a very, very honest person. I would never recommend something that I wouldn't use. And yeah, this thing is really good. And it looks like this wheel has a crack in it. Yeah. I mean, it holds air perfectly and everything, but yeah, there definitely, I believe that definitely is a crack. But anyhow, I'll get to you guys later when my, I forget what it's called, but the thing that makes the bore on the wheel sit snug, because this is 72.4 I mean 72.6, and the Style 32s are 74.1. So I got some adapters coming in the mail, 1-day ship, because I want them today. And yeah, but anyhow, I'll get to you guys in the next clip. Alright, so the package that I was waiting for finally came. It's the adapter ring thingies that go there, so you know the hub bore is the right size and the wheels fit snug. So I'm going to take off these rear wheels, throw these on, and then put the wheels back on. So yeah, I'll just show you how they go on. So you just wire brush this part off if you have any surface rush, so the thing sits flush, or as flush as possible, whatever. But it'll go on regardless. I'm just going to do that just because why not? Slides right on. And then you put the wheel on. Give me a second. And then you put on the wheel. And when you're doing wheels like this that have to have the bore adapter, you do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the star pattern, so the wheel can sit evenly. Because unless you have like the one that's more rubbery as opposed to this aluminum one, then it'll fit a little more snug, but sometimes it's not 100% even. So I made sure that I got this one that is aluminum, because I have experience with both, and my preference is the aluminum one. So yeah, let me get the other wheels on and then sit the car down. And as you guys can see, I pulled this because I don't really care. As you guys know, I'm going to throw over fenders anyway. So if anything, I'll probably just sand that down and throw some paint over it or something. But I really don't care about that. It's all going to be cut out anyway. So yeah, and these wheels are only temporary. All right, so I got 3 wheels on, and I'm going to have to lower the front. I already know that. The back sits pretty nice, but I'm going to lower it probably like 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch just for fitment purposes, because hot boy. And I'm probably gonna like paint the wheels because I really like these and I might as well. So if I can find a color match, that'll be perfect, and then I'll just have to do the rears. But if not, then I'm just gonna paint them all like a shiny silver or something and call it that. So give me a second to throw on the last wheel, and then I'll lower the car down and show you guys everything. All right, so all the wheels are on. Gonna lower the front about 1.5 inches, and then the rear is like a 1/2 inch, and then that'll be all set. But I love Style 32s. They're such a beautiful wheel. So yeah, that's what I got to do. And I'm about to go take a quick test drive around the block. Hopefully I can fit between my cousin's car and the Stones. But yeah, and as you guys can see, the car is looking so much better already. Also, probably gonna paint the front bumper and the LTW wing tomorrow, because I want this thing to be, you know, gloss black like the car. So that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. It's gonna be in a separate video, of course, but you guys will see it. And I'm also gonna see if the place is open for me to get an alignment, because I'm not sure if you can see it, but this wheel, all right, so you can see there's a bit of toe out. Then this wheel is also sticking out kind of this way. I believe I'm describing it properly, because I'm pretty sure that's not how they're supposed to be. But yeah, anyhow, looks good. It's very beautiful. Nice profile, as you guys can see. It's probably going to be the thumbnail. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys in the next clip.